Imagine a classroom where every student belongs. This is the goal of the Least Restrictive Environment, or LRE. It's an essential part of the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. Today, we'll explore LRE and its significance in special education. LRE means students with disabilities should learn alongside their peers. This inclusion should happen to the maximum extent possible. If a student cannot thrive in a standard classroom, it's crucial to understand why. Only then should removal from general education occur. Inclusive education consultants, LRE often arises in our reviews of individualized education programs. Understanding LRE is key to ensuring appropriate support for students. Let's dive into the legal foundation of LRE. Under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, LRE acts as a civil rights protection. Schools cannot segregate students merely for convenience. They must evaluate if students can succeed in general education, even with necessary supports. New Jersey enhances this requirement through NJAC 6A14. This law mandates that districts offer a variety of placement options. These options ensure every student receives the appropriate education they deserve. So what does this continuum of placements look like? Schools must provide several options, including general education with support, in-class resource services, pull-out resource programs, self-contained classrooms, out-of-district placements when necessary. Determining the best placement involves a thorough review process. That's why at Inclusive Education Consultants, we analyze if districts considered this continuum before suggesting more restrictive options. Now, who makes these placement decisions? The IEP team is responsible for deciding each student's needs. This team includes parents, teachers, specialists, and district representatives. Their focus must stay on the student's unique requirements, not on the district's convenience. The critical question for the IEP team is essential. Can the student succeed in a general education setting with the right supports? A yes answer means the district must provide those supports. When schools overlook this step, it leads to significant disputes in special education. Understanding LRE is vital. Misinterpretations can result in students being placed in overly restrictive environments. Inclusive Education Consultants helps families and lawyers assess these situations. We review records and IEPs to ensure legal compliance with IDEA. LRE promotes inclusion and emphasizes appropriate support for students with disabilities. Understanding these principles is crucial for families navigating the education system. To learn more about special education law and your rights, visit Inclusive Education Consultants. We offer expert witness services for IDEA and IEP litigation. For more resources, explore Inclusive Education Consultants. Together, we can ensure every student finds their place in the classroom.